Hi guys, and welcome to the channel of Nothing to Prove. My name is Tina, this is my Triumph Trident, and today I've decided to take you along in the video where I'm making some modifications to the bike. First, I'm going to take care of the handguards. Later on, I'm going to work on the windshield, and let's just have fun together. So what I did in a first step, I got myself some handguards from SW-MOTECH, and I pre-assembled the plastic part to the metal bar, and then I also attached this part with a screw. And now let's go and take a look at the tools that you need. Okay, so these are the tools that you need. Here you can see a hex 4, then the hex 6, and a torque wrench, and that's it. So let's take the 4 and put it on here, and then I will start with the adjustment there. Make sure that it's square there, like this. Okay. Let's see, let's try it again. Is this far enough? Yeah, now it's far enough. See, now I can take it out just fine and take off the end of the handlebar. We will have to attach these things over here. First, I'm going to put in the little plastic ring. Then I am going to set it into the socket just like this. And now we are going to use this and put it in from the outside over here. Oops. Okay, that wasn't supposed to come out, I guess. And now it's set together, and now we will have to take it over to the bike and attach everything. Okay, this is probably going to go in over here, just like this. And now I will have to screw it, try to fasten it down a little. So that it's now everything is coming out, honey. Oh man, this is, holy crap.
Let's just hang down.
Okay.
Ignore this.
Okay, I'm going to let it.
I said ignore this.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, I'm going to let it hang down, and then just put this in like this. And now I can, see, I'm doing it for the first time. So this is what you can see right here. But anyways, if I can do it, then you can do it too. Okay, this is sitting in there just fine.
What is this?
This should be 10 Newton meters to fasten it.
But what kind of tool is it?
Okay, it's a hex 6.
Yeah.
To fasten down. So let me get this head, put it on. So here we have the hex 6. Going to attach it to the torque wrench. And now we want to fasten it, so I will have to change this over here. Set it in there, just fine, and now start fastening it down.
Before you tighten it down, you might want to bring this up.
Yeah, this needs to be brought up to the position where I want to have it.
Yeah, let's see you do this with 2 hands.
Okay. Like this. Okay, I'm giving it support.
There you go. Good.
There.
Now?
And now I'm going to continue, right? Until it clicks. Because it is there was the first click. Let me give it a second click. Now we are fine. So now that we have attached these handguards on both sides, this is giving me a lot more protection for my hands, now especially that the weather is starting to get really cold. And this is what I was actually looking for. In the next video, we are going to talk about attaching the windscreen And you saw it was fairly easy. I mean, I've never done anything like this before in my life, but it was not too bad. So, I hope you enjoyed everything and see you next time.